Here, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is how to catch a felony in 1 minute. Let's get into the video.
See two cases of men who decided to soak police officers with water, instantly taking things from 0 to 100.
Oh yeah, y'all just left me out bleeding on the floor. Oh yeah, you tough. You tough grabbing on your shit, right?
Sit down.
I'm not sitting for shit.
Don't walk up on me.
No, don't grab on your fucking waist on me. No, I'm not listening, you nigga. No. It's simple as that, dog. As simple as that. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Listen,
No, I can retaliate the same way you do. Let's get it.
Actually, you can't. Have a seat.
Oh,
Step out of the street.
I can't. Yeah, it's because you got all these backup.
Yep,
right?
we do.
Yeah.
You're right, we do. So have a seat.
Hey, where the f was y'all at when I was leaking out, right?
We were here. You didn't want our help.
Oh, yeah.
Have a seat.
I'm not going for shit. I'm not sitting down for shit.
Step out of the street, because I don't want you to get hit by a car. Go ahead and step out of the street.
I'm not. With y'all.
Do me a favor. Step out of the street, okay?
Okay, my boy putting them gloves on.
Me and I'm gonna punch you in your face, okay?
The fuck did you just say to me?
I just told you.
Go over here now.
Yeah.
Go over here now.
Yeah. Over here.
Oh yeah, you don't want to
You're
act
gonna punch me
right.
in my face, huh? Now you're under arrest. Sit down.
Stop walking up.
Sit down.
I'm not
Sit
sitting
down. You're under arrest.
Hold on, did you see how did he just? Anyway, hold on. Nah, my bad, y'all. My bad. I stopped it at the wrong time. My fault.
Try me and I'm gonna punch you in your face, okay?
The fuck did you just say to me?
I just told you.
Oh yeah, it's about to go down.
Yeah.
They about to surround him. Oh yeah.
Over here.
You're gonna punch me in my face, huh? Now you're under arrest. Sit down.
Stop walking up.
Sit down.
I'm not
Sit
sitting
down. You're under arrest.
Damn, he got him good.
Let go of my glasses.
He got him good with that
You're under
mace,
arrest. Put
boy.
your fucking hands behind your back. You understand me, motherfucker? Put your hand behind your back.
Oh yeah.
Understand me? Put your hand behind your back. You're under arrest. That wasn't a good idea, was it?
Yeah, I do this shit to y'all.
Yeah, act right.
Stay there, don't get up. I'm good. I'm not gonna go nowhere.
Correction, 311. Send a supervisor over here. We have one in custody for
Good
battery.
job,
I got you, bro.
Jack.
392.
I got you, bro.
I'm already in row.
Hey, Stacy, you ever seen me fucking like this? Come on, dog. Come on, big dog. You a tough guy. Right? Why don't you beat me up right, a little bit more? Get this shit out of my fucking eyes, dog. The fuck is wrong with you? Get this shit out of my fucking eyes. Get this shit out of my fucking eyes.
Oh, you dumped your water. We can't use that.
I'll go get you a water.
I'm gonna fucking kill you. You think you tough? You little ball head. Oh, you such a bitch. That's why you needed 2 to get me, right? You needed 2 you little ball head bitch. You needed 2 you ball head bitch. Right? Yeah, you a ball head bitch. I'll go for you.
My face.
I'll go for you.
Well, he threw a bottle of water on me and then.
Yeah, I know what the fuck you look like,
Can I put
bitch.
some water on your eyes?
I know what the fuck you look like, bitch.
Can I spray some water on your eyes?
Babe, my your eye.
Okay, I'm gonna spray some water on you, okay?
7-1.
What did we miss? Him attacking us.
Oh, nice. Good start to the
He
morning,
got pepper
huh?
sprayed a little.
Yeah, a little.
Hey, bro, you know you a bitch. You bald head. You can't even push me back.
Stop!
Yes. You can't even push my shoulders back. Hey, look at you.
Honestly, she's an idiot. First of all, he got hit with pepper spray, right? So yeah, if you wanted to use some water to kind of, pour it on him and help it run down, okay, fine. It ain't really gonna do that much or whatever, but maybe if she would have put some Dawn soap in his eyes or something like that, like to help it. But what she did was even worse. Did you see? She put the water, right? And she's wiping his face like this. What? No. And now you got it on your hands. Like, oh my God, so stupid. Let me rewind it so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because you guys probably didn't catch it.
Gave my
Okay, I'm gonna freak tomorrow on you, okay?
7-1, son.
What did we miss? Him attacking us.
Look at
Oh,
that.
nice. Good start to the
He
morning,
got pepper
huh?
sprayed a little.
Oh,
Hey,
man.
bro, you know you a bitch. You bald head. You can't even push me back.
Stop!
Yes. You can't even push my shoulders back. Hey, look at you. Look at you.
Stop.
Boy, you didn't get in shape, boy. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. Yeah, you know you're a bitch.
Jeff, settle down.
You know you're a bitch.
Settle down. You want me to pour some more water on your eyes?
please,
Okay.
please.
Hey, what's going on?
That's what I want to know.
He was uncooperative. He was told he was under arrest after he tried to punch me in the face. And was wandering around the street, tensing up. I said, all right, you're under arrest. Then he threw the bottle of water on me, pepper sprayed him, and punched me in the face. Ripped my glasses off my face. Yeah, I'm on the ground. He got punched a couple times because he wouldn't. Kept reaching up, trying to hit me. And
Bro, why my f***ing face, you f***ing piece of shit? I'm gonna piss me up. Bro, why my f***ing face? It hurts.
Yeah, wipe his face on the concrete.
he's bleeding from his pre-existing injury.
Come for all y'all. I'm getting all y'all bad numbers. Come here, I'm getting all y'all bad numbers. I'm coming for all y'all. It ain't gonna help me. I got money, you goofy ass. What the f is wrong with you? You think I'm broke? You think I'm broke? Yeah, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you.
Sir, this is paramedic. We're gonna get you on our cot, okay?
Get him off me.
All right, listen.
F off me.
Hey, listen, dude. I'm gonna help
I'm
you.
listening.
I need you to
Get this
cooperate.
goofy ass
Okay, stand up, okay? Right in front of you is the stretcher. There you go.
Bro, don't No,
No, it's a
I
plate.
don't want that on me.
All right.
What the f***? You just paste my f***ing face.
Hey, listen.
I want something on me.
You gotta lay down
This
and
is the
cooperate.
paramedics. I need you to call the cops.
This suspect, Jeff, was charged with aggravated battery on a peace officer, criminal damage to property, and resisting obstructing. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.